Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen effect in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the CapCut application and then simply tap on this new project. And now you have to import a video with green screen. And as you can see, this is our video and you can see the green screen behind this person. Now let's say you want to remove the green screen from that person and you want to add another background. First of all, you have to tap on this overlay, tap on this add overlay, and then you have to choose the new background you want to add behind this person. So now this is the background we have just added, and this is the person with green screen. Now you have to select this and simply swipe to the right and you will see the option here, remove BG. Just simply tap on it and you can see these option, auto removal, custom removal and chroma key. You can choose anything. You can choose auto removal, it will be auto removed, and you can choose the custom removal as well. I am going for chroma key here. And now you have to just simply select the color. As you can see, whenever I move this on the green, the background is removed automatically. You can play with these things like shadow, intensity and all these things. After this, go back and now you will see the background of this person is completely removed and our new background is set. Now you can resize it and you can place it wherever you want and your video is ready and your green screen will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.